display. 6.2-inch Quad HD Plus Super AMOLED screen. 90% of the front of the phone is now screen. No in-screen fingerprint sensor here. Samsung's 6.2-inch display on the Galaxy S9 Plus is as expansive as it is impressive. It's unchanged from the company's previous Infinity display, but that's held up to be a fantastic screen, so that's okay with us, too. Its tall 18.5:9 aspect ratio has set the standard for all screen smartphones. It can display a Quad HD Plus resolution, yet it still looks outstanding at Full HD 1080p. It's the combination of the futuristic-looking curved edges, vibrant colors, and high contrast ratio that make it pop. We also appreciate the fact that Samsung has created a screen that fills 90% of the front of the phone. There's very little bezel here and no notch whatsoever, which makes the S9 Plus feel like you're holding one large, beautiful light beam in your hand. There's no in-screen fingerprint sensor, even though we've seen Chinese phone makers debut the technology already. That highlight may be saved for the Note 9, or perhaps the Galaxy S10.